All right, so here's your balloon for the 90-90.
All right.
You can scooch in maybe an extra inch closer to the door so that we're really at that 90 degrees. We're looking at the shin bone with the femur being 90, that looks perfect. And then go ahead and inflate the balloon. So breathing into back and sides, breathing out into your balloon. You can do the palms up for this one, Dennis. Yep, perfect. Making sure we're not biting the balloon or closing it off of our lips so that we're working that diaphragm really well. Good. Legs are engaging as you blow. Squeezing the roller and down on the wall of it, just as a reminder. Good. The biggest, longest breaths you can do. Perfect. And let's do one more. Okay, you can take one out. Okay.
Another set.
Yeah, we'll go ahead, second set. I'm just gonna